Alyssa, what's the book called?
The book is called Dear Easter Bunny, I Am Allergic To.
Good job.
Every
year, Bonnie,
Bonnie, the
Easter
Bunny,
visit little bunnies, all over the world.
At
Night,
she
quietly hops
into
their
their
bunny
bunny
homes
and
leaves presents
for the
good little bunnies.
bunny. She has a big
Job
to do.
Some bunny homes require allergy safe foods because of food allergies.
Can I flip it? Okay. With
her fluffy white tail
at
hop hippity hop skips
hippy hop
skips the Easter bunny down the forest trail. Bonnie, the Easter bunny finds
a
note
at this
home. Hold on, let's read it. Dear Easter Bunny, I am allergic to eggs. My brother Lucky is allergic to milk. From Honey Bunny and Lucky Bunny. P.S. We made you bunny trail mix and orange carrot smoothie surprise. Okay, flip.
The Easter Bunny
Leaves safe treats
for
Honey
Bunny
and Lucky Bunny. Thanks to their letter. Wait.
Oh.
On
this
door
the
Easter Bunny finds
a
sign letting
her
know which foods are safe to bring inside. Inside this home, Bonnie, the Easter Bunny, reads another letter to help her decide which foods are safe to leave. Okay, and the pink letter says, "Dear Easter Bunny, I am allergic to peanuts. I have been good. Please leave me a brown chocolate bar. Love, Cottontail."
Okay.
In the black shadows of the night, hop, hippity hop, jumps the Easter Bunny with delight.
With delight. Some kids do
not have any food allergies. And the ones that do can be allergic to different foods. Either way, the Easter Bunny always carries
food in her basket.
At this bunny home, the Easter Bunny leaves
blue and green
jelly beans.
Oh no, only one
house
left.
The Easter Bunny
trips
and spills the rest of her jelly beans, books, and dyed eggs. She only has blueberries left in her basket. Lucky for her, blueberries are a safe food in the last house.
In
this warm and cozy house, Mama Bunny just finished tucking in all of her baby bunnies. The Easter Bunny will be hopping by soon.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
No matter the color of the food a child is allergic to, there is always a safe food substitute.
The end.
Good job.
Look, there's more.
You can, in this book, you can leave a letter to the Easter Bunny telling him what you're allergic to and what you would like. And then there's treats. Just like the treats that the kids left in the book. There's the bunny trail mix. There's the smoothie. French fries. Okay, Alyssa.
The end. This book is written by Laura and Leanne.
All right, let's see the front of the book. All right, thank you.
Dear Easter Bunny, I am allergic to.
Alyssa, thank you for reading the book.
You're welcome. So subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up and hit the notification bell.